What's up, guys? Operator02 back with another unboxing. So this is going to be roughly about $75 worth of stuff. So this is going to be, I'm pretty sure, Desert Marpad to finish off my tan loadout. And then I'm pretty sure it's mag shingles for a drop leg. So let's see what this is. Thank God for FedEx's new bags, and they just rip right open. So yeah, I was right. This is my Marpad. This is my Marpad, my pants. This is U.S. Navy Marpad, or U.S. Marine Corps Marpad. From my friend Robinson. Thanks for these pants, dude. Thank you for your service. Great little pair of pants. And on to the next one. Pretty sure this is mag shingles. The drop leg that I bought. Can't get it out of the packaging. Yeah, so it is the mag. No, these are just my normal mag shingles. Little shotgun holders in here. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put these on my back for buddy mags. That's just what I'm thinking I'm gonna do with them. I don't know. Velcro, dude. So they Velcro onto your plate carrier. That's weird. I don't think I have enough Velcro space for that. I don't know. I'll show you guys this. What do you guys think? Work? Not work? Comment below what you guys think. But thanks for watching, guys. We got the mag shingle. We got this mag shingle and the little shotgun mag thing. And then we got my Marpad pants. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.